Hey, welcome to the show. Today on the show, we have some brand new phone cases for your Galaxy S21, and we're going to tell you all about it. Stay tuned. All right, let's do a quick unboxing of the phone cases we have from i-Blason. This is the Ares series, and it comes in 3 different colors. We have the black and the gray right here. That is a sharp looking phone. And then we also have the purple. That is a 2-tone purple. Beautiful. And then we have the pink and the gray. So let's go on over to our Cosmo series and look at this beautiful Cosmo Ocean. I love the back of it and how it's kind of like a marble color. And then we have the Cosmo Amethyst, and that is beautiful. Look at this. And then we have the Cosmo Marble. I just love how those sides shine up in the gold outline. Beautiful colors. i-Blason makes some of the best phone cases for your phone, and I love the new S21 series. Take a look at these right here. You have the clear back right there. You can see through it, and they come in 2 pieces on this Ares series. So I'll go ahead and take that apart and show you. Hello, kitty. So they come apart very easily, and what you do is you're going to be putting your phone in here facing up, and then the camera part this side right here, and then all you have to do is snap it together. Bada boom, bada bing. So easy. Nice tight fit. And look at that. Beautiful. On all of these phone cases, you're going to have a beveled edge around the camera right here, and a beveled edge around here, so that when you set this phone on the counter, it's not going to scratch, and it's not going to scratch the camera. So we have about 3 different colors right here. In the Cosmo series, we have also 3 different colors. This comes in a 2-piece, so let me go ahead and take those apart. So they come apart very easily. We have the 2 pieces right here. And what you want to do, just like the other one, you put your phone in right here first, and then you slip it in, snap it in, boom. It is ready to go. Super stylish. I mean, when you're going out on a night on a town, you get to choose from these different colors that you have and different styles. And these are from the company i-Blason. Hey, I would love it if you would hit like and subscribe, and make sure you check out my other videos, because I'm going to have a lot of reviews on the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Hey, like always, I hope you're having a great day. We'll talk to you later. Adios. Bye-bye.